Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a Colourpop Disney haul and a try on as well. So that's why I only have on foundation, concealer, and brows today. I have this box full of goodies plus another one behind me, and it's pretty much Disney themed. I ordered from the new Disney collection, Frozen collection, and I did get something from the coconut collection as well. I'm going to show you guys everything I got and we'll do a try on. I thought that would be kind of fun. I will say I've been really into Colourpop lately, and I do try to wait until there's like a lot that I want so I can place a bigger order and get free shipping. I'm all about free shipping, but I don't know what it is, but this year I've just been obsessed with Colourpop palettes. I feel like they've been really good lately. I know the ones that came out last year I really wasn't into. I didn't really care for them, but the ones that they've been doing this year have been incredible. Like the honey palette, the peach palette, I got the strawberry milkshake. I've just been Colourpop obsessed, so I love that. Let's go ahead and get into this haul video. I'll show you guys everything I got first. So first up in this box is the original Disney collection. So let's see, the designer collection. I ordered quite a few things. I'm a pretty big Disney lover. I'm actually going to Disney World in February. I do plan on vlogging my trip. I'm so excited. I do have some older Disney vlogs as well, which to be honest are kind of embarrassing because I just feel like I was not the best vlogger a few years ago, but I plan on making some really good ones in February. So if you guys are Disney lovers as well, definitely leave a comment below. So I had to get their Midnight Masquerade eyeshadow palette, pretty much just because it was Disney. Here's what it looks like. Super cute. And then here's the inside. And you get the princesses on there. So fun. They kind of have a shade that almost represents every princess in my opinion. They have Frog and Wife from The Princess and the Frog, Royal Ball from Cinderella, Mrs. Potts from Beauty and the Beast, Floating Lanterns from Tangled, just like all the nostalgic stuff. So this just makes me happy by itself, just with the color names and everything. And I do think it is a pretty interesting color scheme. I will say with these like glitter shades, a lot of people are kind of iffy about them. They're not technically eye safe, but I honestly really like the pressed glitters and I feel like they add so much to a look. I just try to be very careful with them and not get them like too close to like my lash line or anything like that. But I've been using these kind of things all year. I haven't really had any issues, but I know some people are kind of hit or miss on that. But this does have two of those glitter shades in it, just so you guys know. So that is the Midnight Masquerade palette, which is just absolutely beautiful. I'll go ahead and insert swatches here for you guys. Alright, they also had some really fun sets for some of the princesses, so I did order a couple. So this is the Rapunzel bundle. So cute. It says I see the light, and then Rapunzel. So in here we get a Luxe liquid lip. I have not tried this formula. They have kind of like a chubbier packaging. They're super cute though, and it's called Flynn. This color is very gorgeous. They feel like a velvety kind of liquid lipstick. There is a swatch. That's Flynn. I did get some neutral shades because that's what I gravitate towards. And then we have Floating Lights Pressed Powder Blush, which is so pretty. It's this almost pinkish lavender color. That's what it looks like. Definitely my kind of color. I love these light pink blushes. So that's Floating Lights. I also got the Belle set. In this set we get another Luxe liquid lip in the shade Beast, which is another kind of neutral shade. I'll swatch it next to Flynn. It's a little bit darker on the bottom. They're kind of similar though. And then this is the Enchanted Mirror Pressed Powder Blush. How cute. And then this is what it looks like. I will say the blushes looked a little bit darker online than what they do in person. This is a very natural light pink blush, which I think is going to be really pretty though. So there it is swatched right there. So pretty. And then lastly we have the A Dream is a Wish Your Heart Makes Cinderella bundle. So we got another Luxe liquid lip, another pinky nude in Prince Charming. Actually, this one's kind of more peachy toned. I noticed that these are a little bit sheer at first, so you kind of have to build them up. And Prince Charming is on the bottom. I think that one actually might be my favorite. And then we have a highlighter called Horse and Carriage. I've heard great things about this. It's like the perfect color. Oh, it's so buttery soft as well. Wow. I'm definitely going to be trying that today. So beautiful. So that's everything I got from the designer Disney collection. Let's move into my next order. All right, next I'll show you guys the coconut collection. I ordered 2 things from this collection, including the palette. So I was really obsessed with this palette when I saw it. I'm really into neutral shades, and this one had like some cool neutrals. I was kind of surprised they did a coconut collection though, since it is like fall. But I do understand, since it does look like coconut shades, like it totally matches the theme. But I am just really digging the color scheme here. This seems like a really nice everyday palette for me, and I don't think it has any of the glitters, so you should be good if you're not into those pressed glitters. These just like very high metallic shades. So I will go ahead and swatch the Going Coconuts palette for you guys next. I also got one of their bronzers to try from the collection. It's in the shade Coconut Beach. It feels really nice, and this one I would say has more of a cooler undertone, so I feel like this would be nice on the skin. I'll definitely test this one out for you guys today in this try on. So that's from the Coconut collection. Now I'll show you guys what I got from the Frozen 2 collection, which that movie just came out today. I definitely want to see it, like, I don't know, maybe next week I will. But we got the Elsa palette. I did not get the Anna one, just Elsa, because the Anna one was pretty basic, but this one had some really like unique shades, I thought. So I did get the Elsa palette. So beautiful. I just love the shades in here. I feel like they are just stunning. I love the cool blues. Plus we do have one of the pressed glitters in the shade Flurry, which looks stunning. So I had to have this, and I will be, maybe I'll do a look with this one today. I don't know if I want to use this or the coconut. I think I'll use this one since it's newer. So that is the Elsa palette. So stunning. I hope they keep making Disney palettes, because I mean, I'll probably buy them all. I'm obsessed. And then we got the Luxe lipstick. I had to, in Little Snow. Oh my gosh, this packaging is so cute. And a lot of the lipsticks were darker, so I didn't see too many like super light nudes, but I felt like this one I could wear for fall and winter. It's such a pretty shade. Here it is swatched. I have not tried Colourpop Luxe lipsticks yet, so this is a first for me. And I do feel like Elsa does wear this kind of shade in the movie, so I'm excited to have something a little bit darker. As you can see, it's kind of like what she's wearing in the art on the palette. So that is everything in my Colourpop haul. Let me swatch the Frozen 2 palette here, because I totally forgot to do that, so you could see swatches real quick. Alright, and now we'll get into the look. Alright guys, so today we are going to be using the Elsa palette for our eyeshadow, which I'm very excited about. We have some pretty cool tones. So I already have some primer on, so we're just going to go into it. I'm going to take, of course, the shade, I think it says Fire up here, and use this as my transition shade. So we're going to build that up till we get the color that we want. Next, we're going to take the shade Awakened and use that in my crease as well. This one has just some very small glitter in it, but you could pretty much use it as a matte shade in my opinion. It's kind of like the sequin shades in Tati Beauty's palette. This one had a lot of pigment. I was not expecting it to go on like so bright. Next, I'm going to take Spindrift, I think, and then use that in the outer corner. Next, I'm going to go into Northern Lights here. This one is ultra soft. It almost feels like their Super Shock shadows, like that formula, because it's like almost bouncy. But oh my goodness, is it pretty. It is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just placing that really heavily in the inner corner and slightly in the middle. And then I'll go ahead and just put a little bit of the shade Flurry on top, just as like a little bit of a topper, just to add a little bit of sparkle, but not too crazy. This one has really cool specks of purple, green, and orange glitter. Next, I'm going to take Fire again and smudge that on my lower lash line. I'm not sure how I feel about the chunks in that flurry shade. They're almost like too chunky and it kind of looks almost random when you see like a random like sequin. So I'm not sure if I love that. I feel like it looks pretty like on camera, but in person I think I would have liked it better without that shade. All right, just threw on some mascara, so now we can move on to cheek products. So of course I want to try out this Coconut Beach Colourpop bronzer today on the cheeks. It has a little bit of fallout there. A lot of times I don't really mind fallout though, because I feel like sometimes products that do have like fallout can usually blend pretty well into the skin. That color is nice. I do like it. It's about the perfect shade. Like a lighter bronzer that's cool toned, but it still adds warmth to the skin. But I really like it because it doesn't look harsh at all. It's one of those bronzer you could just build up and it's not going to look like you have a muddy face or a harsh line. So that is the bronzer. I really like that. It's just nice and subtle. Next I'm going to use this Belle blush, the Enchanted Mirror blush, which is this lighter pink, but I feel like this could be pretty with our eye look today. So this one is going to be a little bit more on the subtle side, but I feel like for me it's perfect for every day. Like usually with these kind of things, they don't show up as well on camera, but this looks amazing like in person. And sometimes when I do like crazy makeup on camera with a super bright blush, in person you kind of look like a clown. But you can definitely build it up though. I feel like it gives this really nice soft look. It's very natural. Just like the cheeks have just a slight pink color to it. I really like this. Next is highlighter. So of course we're going to use the Cinderella Horse and Carriage, which everyone has been raving about. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Wow. I love it. It almost, I don't know why, but it almost has a pinky undertone for some reason. Maybe it's just because my blush is there. Oh no, it does not have a pink undertone. It's just because of my blush, because I put a little bit on my nose and it looks normal. I'll go ahead and try this lipstick shade as well, the darker one in Little Snow. So I want to see how it looks. I'm trying to be careful because I'm not using any lip liner. A really gorgeous color. It's a little darker than I was expecting, but it's kind of nice. It's like a reddish tone, but not like bright red, and the formula feels really good on the lips as well. It's not too shiny. I feel like it's gonna stay in place. It does transfer obviously, but I don't know, it does feel really good. All right guys, so this is the finished look with the products. So far everything performed really well. I'm pretty impressed with the collection. I think it's great at a great deal. Plus you get Disney. If you guys are Disney lovers, I think you'll really enjoy this. I feel like there's a lot of things you could do with it. So I'm really excited about my new goodies. I can't wait to play with my other palettes as well. Hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you guys picked anything up from Colourpop recently or what you've been loving. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.